Hello students, I'm recording this video to talk about our new unit. Our new unit, it's called Let's Do Sports. So it's all about sports, okay, and activities like that. Before we start, it's very important that you can tell me what's the weather today. What's the weather today? Is it sunny or partly sunny or partly cloudy, or is it cloudy? Cloudy? Also, or is it rainy or freezing and cold and snowy? How's the weather today where you are? Here today it's sunny. It's a beautiful day, so I'm very happy. Good. I also want you to tell me what day is it? What day is it? So do you remember the days of the week? We practice them a lot, so you should have no problems with this. Is it Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday? What day is it? Do you remember? Focus on pronunciation when you say them and be careful with the days, okay? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. When I'm recording this is Thursday, but maybe you're going to watch this on Friday or Saturday or Sunday, I don't know. So focus on the day. And on the same line, same page, I want you to tell me the date. So not only the day is important, but also the number. También quiero saber qué fecha completa es, right? It's the, y ahí va el número del día. So it's the 1st of July, it's the 2nd of July, it's the 3rd of July, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, remember? ¿Qué día será hoy día? So you check on your calendar and say the day. It's the 7th or it's the 8th of July 2020. Can you say it? It's the of July 2020. Way to go. Good. What are we going to do now? Let's begin. We're going to check sports. We're going to start with one activity that's very fun. It's called go skateboarding. Do you go skateboarding? Do you ever go skateboarding? Do you know how to skateboard? I don't. I'm not good at it. My brother goes skateboarding. He loves it. He's very good at it. So to go skateboarding. There you go. We also have another fun, very fun activity. It's also a sport. And you also go swimming. Go swimming. Do you go swimming? Do you ever go swimming? Do you like to swim? I don't. I'm not good at swimming, so I never go swimming. Play volleyball. You play volleyball. Have you ever played volleyball? I've seen people at school. I've seen students at school playing volleyball, so I'm pretty sure you do know. Mr. Everest is a good teacher of volleyball. Play tennis. Play tennis. Do you play? Oh, well, this is table tennis. Sorry, table tennis. I'm good at table tennis. Do you play badminton? Well, badminton is a very British activity. They don't play it here in Chile very much. And it's very fun. And it's similar to tennis. To go riding. So you can go riding a horse. You can go riding a bicycle. Go riding means that you go riding, right? Something. Do karate. This is an activity more than a sport, right? Something that needs a lot of practice and concentration, right? Do karate. To do gymnastics. Do gymnastics. I've also seen people very good at this, doing gymnastics. It's also a very difficult activity. So, let's see. I have here cartoons of people at the sports center. I'm going to say the activity and you are going to guess the correct activity. Voy a decir yo la actividad y ustedes adivinan el número al que me refiero. ¿Ok? Ready? So, 3, 2, 1. First activity is to do karate. Do karate. Yes. Number Number 3. There you go. Number 3. To do karate. Do karate. 3, 2, 1. To play volleyball. That's easy peasy. To play volleyball. To play volleyball. That's the group one. Number 5. To go skateboarding. To go skateboarding. Very difficult activity for me, at least. To go skateboarding. Number 1. There you go. To play badminton. Difficult because we don't play badminton. But remember, similar to tennis. To play badminton. Correct. Number 2. There you go. To go swimming. A difficult one. To go swimming under the water. That's number 7. Correct. Number 7. Very good. Well done. Nice job. So now I need to make sure that you understand the difference, okay? We don't say you play at karate. We use certain verbs for certain activities. Usamos algunos verbos para algunas actividades o deportes. So, if we're talking about games, para los juegos en general, we're going to say play. Jugar, right? So I play table tennis, he plays table tennis, or he plays badminton, or she plays basketball, or she plays volleyball, or you play football, right? To play a game. We're going to use another verb for activities that are more complicated, right? Like karate or gymnastics, right? So you do karate and you do gymnastics. You don't play karate because it's not a game. No lo jugamos porque no es un juego, right? You do karate. You do gymnastics. Good? And finally, you go swimming. Well, depending on the activity, you go swimming, you go skateboarding. This is skateboarding, not gymnastics. My mistake, sorry. You go swimming, you go skateboarding. So here we have activities, yes, and we have to choose the correct verb and the correct activity or sport for each, or discipline, right? So let's see. Number 1, play table tennis because it's a game. So you play table tennis. Number 2, you go swimming. You go swimming. That's number 2. Number 3, you go riding. You go riding. Number 4, yes, you go skateboarding. You go skateboarding. How about number 5? Do you play, do you go, or do you do karate? It's a discipline. You do karate. You do karate, right? Number 6, it's a game, so you play badminton, right? Number 7 is also a game, so you play volleyball. And number 8 is a discipline. Very complicated. You don't play it. You do. You do gymnastics, right? You practice it every day, always. And you learn about it. There you go. Well, this week's activity, it's a bit different. You're going to work on something different with me, okay? That's the point. So I have here, I'm going to send you pictures of the activities, different pictures of the activities, and you're going to play a game and you're going to record yourselves. Se van a grabar a ustedes, okay? So here's the deal. I have the activities here in little pieces of paper. You're going to pick one of the activities. You read what it says, or you look at the cartoon, ven el dibujito, and you say, okay, this is to go swimming. To go swimming. And you can mimic the activity. You go swimming. See? I'm going to pick another one. Se elige uno al azar. You look at the activity or the cartoon, ven el dibujito. to go skateboarding? No, that's too difficult to mimic here. Let's pick another one. To play. To play. To play. Okay, I'm going to do the activity and you guess. Let's see. When you do like this with the ball, and then you. To play basketball. To play basketball, right? And so on and so forth. So, yo les voy a enviar los dibujitos, ustedes van a hacer las mímicas, van a decir lo que está pasando en ese dibujito y lo van a grabar, lo van a enviar. Good. They're supposed to be short videos, tienen que ser muy cortitos, no las hagan todas, hagan unas 4 o 5, si las alcanzan a hacer todas, mejor, that makes me really happy. And that's it. That's it. I want to hear you and I want to see you. Quiero verlos y quiero escucharlos. No los veo hace mucho. Nos vemos en clase, pero muy poquito rato. Y no los he escuchado tanto. So, this is going to help. Esto me va a ayudar. Good? Hope you enjoy it. Remember, you can record with your cell phones. Pueden grabarse con sus celulares o en el mismo computador. It's not difficult. And then you send me the video, okay? To my email. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye. See you.